to the last day of the 12 days of Christmas. And this is Bailey. And today is Bells. Yeah, that's what I call you and Bella. Bells, my bells. And we are going to do just a simple bell project from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to turn gumdrops into Candyland bells. Make them look like the bells that hangs from the side of your mantle. Because I did that last year with Candyland, and it just looks like it was an afterthought. It didn't match my decor. So I thought, why not make bells with giant gumdrops? So we're going to do those projects. And our hosts, please check out their channel. They put up with me for all this time. Is Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista from Krista's Crafty Life. The question I have is, why does bells have to look like normal bells? My decor in my living room is gingerbread and Candyland, and I really wanted it to look like I had bells on my mantle. But I didn't want plain old simple bells. I wanted something that looked like a Candyland bell. So I thought, well, gumdrops kind of looks like bells. So I'm gonna do gumdrop bells for my mantle, because bells is the big thing this year. Bells hanging on your mantle in 2s and 3s. So I thought I'll do the same, only I'm going to do mine, since I'm Candyland this year, and and gumdrops. I'll let those dry and then I'll shake off the excess. Last year I had a set of gold bells on my mantle, coming off my mantle, and I really liked it, but it didn't match the Candyland theme at all. It kind of looked like a side note. Like, she had these bells she didn't know what to do with, so she threw them on the side of her mantle. Yeah, that's kind of what it looked like. You could use spackling for this. For 3 bells, I decided I wasn't digging out the spackling and all the paint, the tips and all that. I'll just use paint, because I have paint here all the time. Actually, I found these sprinkles at Temu. These are Valentine's Day sprinkles, but they're in the colors I like to decorate with, which is pink and turquoise, so it doesn't matter. And there's no hearts in them. And they're not edible. They're actually made of clay. I can't wait to see what everybody else is doing for bells. Okay, I found these at Dollar Tree, and they're gingerbread girl and gingerbread boy gingerbread, and they're just a light enough weight. I'm gonna add those as, what do you call that on the bell where you hold it when you ring it? That's what, work it. I found this at Dollar Tree, and I thought, I think we could do something with this. And of course, today is Bell Day. This one I'm gonna set aside. And I guess we can get rid of our $1.25 tag. And I'm gonna get rid of this loop because we don't need that either. Okay, I'm separating the bow from the greenery. Not that I'm not going to use this bow. I am going to use that bow. I'm not going to use that. Oh, we're going to add our greenery to the bow. Come on, set right. There we go. This is just a Dollar Tree ornament. Do you know what we're making? Some of you know already, I think. I'm turning this into an angel. And it's so easy. And this could be a rustic tree topper or on the top of your tree. In another video, I'm going to take one of these bells and kind of do it more glam. But this one, I thought it would be nice to do it. You could even add a buffalo plaid bow if you didn't like this one. You could take Spanish moss and make her hair. This would be cute for a tree topper for a small tree. Or something, or a shelf sitter, or even on your mantle. You could do a couple of these on each side. And it's so stinking simple. That's it. Here is our gingerbread bells for our mantle. Tell me what you think. I think they look like bells like the other people's, but they more fit my theme of the Candyland. And gingerbread, of course. Here's our other angel bell that I created. It's not going to stay here, but that's an idea of what it would look like if you set it on your mantle. This would also be beautiful for a small tree topper.